So if you look at this, they're building new buildings, and this is Homewood. If you look over there, that bridge right there is the busway. Busway is up there. If you look at this, they're doing a lot of new development. And this here is the Allstate building. So in this area here, this is some of the first moves towards, gentrifying Homewood. They're like really moving into the hood, and we're not organized enough to necessarily do anything about it. We think about bling bling and getting crunk and shining, and conscious folks are confused too because we think money's not important. Just believe and know the knowledge. So it is what it is. This is Diamond Axe. Alright, man. Peace.